So I don't do any videos like this very often. In fact, I've never done a video like this before. I'm just as confused as you guys are just by reading the title. But I got something in the mail I figured I'd review. And the reason being is because I went online, searched everything I could about this product. In fact, it was this and a ton of other products, but this one in particular that I decided to get didn't have a lot of very good reviews. So I just figured, why not make one myself? So, camera bags, one of the last things I needed in my whole filmmaking arsenal, and yet another added reason to the list why I hate the buy-in to being a filmmaker so much. I mean, if you think about it, everything you need to be a filmmaker is gonna cost you thousands of dollars at the end of the day. You need a tripod, you need a camera, you need a good lens, you need a good microphone, you need like all the essentials to have, you know, good videos for your work and clients if you have any. And just, again, like, I just wanted a backpack for my camera, and how much is it gonna go for? I don't know, $200? Ridiculous, it was ridiculous. It's just a backpack with some foam in it. But I found this really good backpack, and I figured I'd review it. And I haven't opened it yet, so it's gonna be a brutally honest review. A comprehensive review, no, I'm kidding. The Hex DSLR backpack, so let's clear some space off so we can take a look here. I got food poisoning like 4 days ago, and this package came in 4 days ago, so I haven't even been motivated to take a look at this thing. I've been so sick. That was not fun, man. Alright, so they gave us a sticker. Put that on my surfboard or something. Oh no, wait, did they send me a card? So what is... Oh, no way. That's actually really sick. And another sticker. That's actually like real pen. That's not printed. Cool. Yeah, I hope I do love my bag, Hex. Okay, alright. Cool. Look at that. Okay, so here's the biggest reason why I got this type of bag. I looked at douche bags, I looked at a ton of other bags, but the reason why I got this one is because the entry to all your gear is through the back. Ooh. The reason why I wanted the main entry from the back side was because if I was traveling, I wouldn't have to worry about people slipping in and taking like camera stuff. I mean, I could care less what they like snatch out of here if they can. And what I really thought about, this is very specific to me, is so when I'm on a plane and my bag is underneath my seat, I hate having to struggle to like pull the whole bag up onto my lap and like unzip everything. I'll show you the bag I've always had. It's this one. Like, this is what I travel with. It's like my backpack. And my carry-on is just this duffel bag right here. I don't actually bring my old camera bag with me when I travel. And I wanted to have a backpack that was good for everyday travel, and it was a camera bag. I wanted to be able to sit down, and then all I had to do was reach down and I could grab both my camera or my laptop without having to pull the whole bag out. That's what's so lovely about this Hex bag. There's a top entry right here, and then get my camera. I can pull it out right here. If you open the top part here, you can get to your laptop. So my old bag, my old camera bag used to be this thing. I mean, in my eyes, camera bags are just camera bags or whatever. Like, it's just a bag with cushion in them. This little thing was just not gonna hold all the gear I wanted to take with me anymore. It was just too small. I mean, granted, like with my old camera, all I had was a mic, a lens, and the body, so I was able to put everything right here. I have like my whole camera, my lens, a way bigger Rode mic. I've got this tripod here, a little cage for my camera body, batteries, and another lens. So that just wasn't all gonna fit in here. But the biggest thing I did not like about this bag was that it was like a sling. I don't like this shit. There's a side clip on here to like put my like wide cam or the tripod I just showed you here, but it was just, you know, I just didn't like it, you know, it wasn't convenient. I don't like sling bags, like, and it's obvious that it is a camera bag. you look at this, you wouldn't think twice it's an actual dedicated camera bag. You would just think it's a backpack, you know? This was satisfying everything I needed and everything I was looking for. Because I was looking at like douche bags. I like their bags. They're really nice, good quality bags. Had lots of good reviews. I was actually looking at the Rory Kramer bag that he did a collab with Hex. It's just the same thing, but it's a little bigger. It can hold a lot more gear. It had like lumbar support. So I guess let's go ahead and load this thing up. What's really nice about this too is the bottom here is like, it's not really leather, but it's like a tough, it's just a really nice tough fabric to be putting on the ground. So this thing is loaded. Camera, charger, lens, another lens, an empty spot here. I have my battery grip right here, another charger here, my bandana, lens cap right there. Right here is a little like another pouch. I got like some phone lenses in there if I ever need those. My mic, my cage, another little lens cap here, some lens cleaning cloth. And yeah, that's pretty packed. That's pretty packed. Over here, hard drives if I ever need. All this up here again is like charging, lens cleaning stuff. Down here is literally nothing but cords. So yeah, any final thoughts? I just saw myself in the mirror and this thing looks absolutely huge on me, but I like it. I actually think it's really cool. It's nice, really comfortable around like the strap and everything. I like all the compartments. It's really cool. This is awesome. I love that they did that. I really like companies that actually like write you a whole thank you thing when they send you your package. That's really cool. But yeah, will I ever pack my bag this full? Probably not, but it's good to know that I can pack the essentials like the camera, the lens, the mic, and I still have a lot of room for like hard drives, chargers, and clothes if I want to put clothes in here, which is nice. All right, so how much did I pay for this? So I think it was gonna go for a little over 200 with shipping and taxes and everything, but I got mine for 171 with everything because it was my first purchase from Hex, and if you ever buy directly from their website, you get 15% off your first order if you sign up like the email thing, whatever. You know, it's nice to like go ahead and do that for your first purchase. But yeah, not bad for 171, I think. I mean, I was actually ready to throw down like 250 on another bag and just, no, this is not having that. That was fun. I've never done a review on anything of mine before, so hopefully you guys thought that was cool. And Hex, if you guys saw this video, let me know how I did. Let me know if you think I did you guys justice by showing the peeps what your bag is like and what it's all about. Was this video sponsored in any way? What do you guys think? I have 100 subscribers. Of course not. I just felt like making this video, and hopefully, I hope you guys thought this was kind of cool to watch me do a review on this bag that I bought for myself. I think it was a good investment. I think anything I buy for myself is a good investment. But yeah, I've actually got a lot of really cool announcements coming up. So more likely than not, I'll be making those announcements on my other socials like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok. So go follow me there. That's where I'll be making like most of my announcements and everything else that I'm doing. Everything I've been up to, what I've got planned, as long as this coronavirus doesn't fuck everything up. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Tell me what you guys thought about this bag, what you guys would suggest, or if you want me to do another review on something of mine. Yeah, other than that, guys, enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is. Go wash your hands, please, and clean your phone. When you're done watching this video, go clean your phone. It's getting crazy. So, wash your damn hands, you filthy, disgusting motherfucker.